Mutation is a natural process that changes a DNA sequence either by a single base substitution for another or by addition or deletion of a single or few base pairs. Mutation creates slightly different versions of the same genes called alleles. These small differences in DNA sequence make every individual unique, with a variation in human hair color, skin color, height, shape, behavior and susceptibility to diseases. Mutation generates new variation which can be an advantage to the individual and passed on to the next generation. Mostly mutation is reversed and cell exist with the repair mechanism for mutation which repairs the changes in the DNA like mismatched nucleotide, broken DNA strands. If these changes accumulate and cell repair mechanism is not able to fix them, then cell may stop dividing, destructs or become cancerous. Mutations result due to replacement or substitution of one nucleotide or insertion, deletion of one or a few nucleotides. This is known as point mutation. The major causes of mutations are errors in DNA replication and mutagens. Mutagens are chemicals and radiations which affects the DNA structure. Mutations that occur due to errors in replication are called mismatches because the nucleotide that is inserted into the daughter polynucleotide does not match the nucleotide at the corresponding position in the template DNA. To overcome these errors and changes, cell acquire DNA repair mechanisms which includes DNA repair enzymes. These mechanisms work in two ways, one is pre-replicative and other is post-replicative. Pre-replicative mechanism involves repairing of the damaged or mismatched DNA before it replicates and pass on to daughter cells, and post-replicative mechanism checks newly synthesized DNA for errors. Spontaneous mutations, induced mutations. Spontaneous mutations. Most mutations that were originally studied occurred spontaneously. This class of mutation is termed spontaneous mutations. Spontaneous mutations are those that arise in the absence of known mutagen treatment. Historically, genetics recognized these in nature. They are the ultimate source of natural genetic variation that is seen in populations. Frequency of spontaneous mutations is very low, so if a various number of mutants are required, then mutations must be induced by using mutagens. The spontaneous mutation rate varies. Large gene provides a large target and tends to mutate more frequently. Data from several studies on eukaryotic organisms shows that in general the spontaneous mutation rate is 2 to the power 12 into 10 raised to the power 6 mutations per gamete per gene. DNA sequence analysis has revealed that these mutations are responsible for a number of human hereditary diseases. Spontaneous mutations result from a variety of sources including errors in DNA replication, spontaneous lesions and transposable genetic elements. Replication errors and spontaneous lesions generate most of the base substitution and frame shift mutations. Error in replication is also responsible for some deletions that occur in the absence of mutagenic treatment. An error in DNA replication can occur when an illegitimate nucleotide pair, say AC, forms in DNA synthesis leading to a base substitution. These replication errors or mismatch pairs results in different type of mutations. A. Transition mutation. Transition mutations in which a purine substitutes for a purine or a pyrimidine for a pyrimidine. B. Transversion mutation. In transversion mutations, a pyrimidine substitutes for a purine or vice versa. C. Frame shift mutations. This type of mutation involves addition or deletion of a base pair in a DNA sequence which finally shifts the reading frame and alters the amino acid sequence codes for a particular protein. D. Deletions and duplications. A deletion changes the number of DNA bases by removing a piece of DNA. Small deletions may remove one or a few base pairs within a gene, while larger deletions can remove an entire gene or several neighboring genes. Duplication mutation involves a piece of DNA copied abnormally one or more times. These types of mutation may alter the function of the resulting protein. Spontaneous lesions. Some mutations are generated due to naturally occurring damage to the DNA. This damage includes depurination, deamination, oxidative damage. Two of the most frequent spontaneous lesions result from depurination and deamination. Depurination, it consists the disruption or breakage of glycosidic bond present between the base and the deoxyribose and release the base either adenine or guanine residue, which results in the apurinic site. These apurinic site leads to mutation by incorporating incorrect base during replication. Deamination. The process involves removal of amino group from the molecule which result in base changes. For example, the deamination of cytosine yields uracil. Unrepaired uracil residues will pair with adenine in replication, resulting in the conversion of a GC pair into an AT pair, a GC-AT transition, which finally results into mutation during replication. Oxidative damage. Oxidative damage to bases represents a third type of spontaneous lesion implicated in mutagenesis. Active oxygen species such as superoxide radicals, hydrogen peroxide and hydroxyl radicals are produced as byproduct of normal aerobic metabolism. They can cause oxidative damage to DNA as well as to precursors of DNA such as GTP, which results in mutation and which has been implicated in number of human diseases. Induced mutation and its mechanism. Induced mutations are defined as those that arise after purposeful treatment with mutagens, environmental agents that are known to increase the rate of mutations. Induced mutations involve incorporation of base analogues, specific mispairing due to alkylating agents, base damage because of radiations, etc. The three general approaches used to generate mutations are radiation, chemical agents, transposon insertion. Radiations like X-rays, gamma rays, fast neutron bombardment can induce point mutations which results in change in a single nucleotide or deletions of a chromosomal segment. Ionizing radiations results in the formation of ionized and excited molecules that can cause damage to cellular components and to DNA. The most biologically relevant reactions products are hydroxyl radicals, superoxide radicals and hydrogen peroxide can damage bases and cause different adducts and degradation products. Ionizing radiation damage results in AP sites due to breakage of the N-glycosidic bond and can cause strand breaks that are responsible for most of the lethal effects of such radiation. Chemical mutagens. Chemical mutagens generally induce point mutations by changing a single base pair of a gene. This change of single base pair may result in transition or transversions. Transition occur when a purine is converted to a purine A to G or G to A, or a pyrimidine is converted to a pyrimidine T to C or C to T. In transversion mutations, a pyrimidine substitutes for a purine or vice versa. The most commonly used mutagens are alkylating agents, base analogues and intercalating agents. Each has a specific effect on DNA. Alkylating agents such as ethyl methane sulfonate, ethyl ethane sulfonate and mustard gas can mutate both replicating and non-replicating DNA. Another category of chemical mutagens includes base analogues like 5-bromouracil and 2-aminopurine, which have similar structural similarity to bases purine and pyrimidine. These base analogues incorporate and mutate DNA at the time of replication only. The intercalating agents form another important class of DNA modifiers. This group of compounds includes ethidium bromide, proflavin, acridine orange and a class of chemicals termed ICR compounds. Each class of chemical mutagen has specific effects that can lead to transition, transversions, deletions or frame shift mutations. Transposable elements. Transposable elements are also known as jumping genes because they change their positions from one place to another within the genome. This insertion of transposable elements in a wild type gene results in disruption of normal function of that gene. This type of insertion by transposable elements gives rise to new mutant. Thus, transposable elements are powerful source for creating insertion mutants. The detailed knowledge of the structure and function of transposable elements is now being applied in the search of new mutations. Scientists are developing new approaches using transposable elements for discovering new mutants. This approach to developing mutants is termed insertional mutagenesis. Spontaneous mutations arise from a variety of sources including errors in DNA replication, spontaneous lesion. Spontaneous mutations can be generated by different processes. Replication errors and spontaneous lesions generate most of the base substitution and frame shift mutations. Replication errors may also cause some deletions that occur in the absence of mutagenic treatment. Mutagens induce mutations by a variety of mechanisms. Some mutagens mimic normal bases and are incorporated into DNA where they can mispair. Others damage bases and either cause specific mispairing or destroy pairing by causing non-recognition of bases. Transposable genetic elements are also responsible for causing mutations by disrupting normal gene function. These types of mutations are known as induced mutations.